Today we're in Sydney, Australia doing a portrait session. I have our model today, Valentina.
Hi, I'm Valentina Ruby.
And where are you from? How long have you been doing modeling for?
I'm from Sydney, Australia, and I've been modeling for 11 years.
So almost as long as I've been doing photography. So we're kind of one and the same, almost. Valentina is here and we're gonna be doing cool portrait stuff. We're gonna be doing full body. She's wearing this beautiful outfit that I put together. I just like the colors. And I'm gonna be using my Pro Photo Flash, the A1, with my 24-70 lens and my 5D Mark IV for today's photo shoot. So join us as we take pictures. Get started. Maybe you could even be resting like on the cart. I like the ones where you had your hands in, yeah. Great job. Tuck that piece of hair back, yeah, right there. And then just have your hand down, just like that. Gorgeous. Let's have you like right here. I'm gonna do full body. Looking here. Yes, love that. And let's have you sitting down right here. Just this light is beautiful. So cool. And then let's have your legs out for these ones. Yeah, love these. I'm not even really telling her. I'm not really telling you to do anything. You know the poses. Lift your chin up a bit, looking out this way. Beautiful. Okay, let's keep it moving. Oh, you guys are fighting. Oh, there's a bunch of birds fighting. Okay. Okay, see that wall right there? That's what I'm talking about. Let's do maybe sitting down. Let's have you sitting down here. Love that. Stay in that pose, okay? Don't move. Great job. I love this. Just toss that piece of hair out. Yeah, there you go. Love that. Everyone always asks me, like, how do you get the exposure right? For this one, it's actually gonna be really tricky because we have like the flash, this speckled light, so I'm trying to underexpose like quite a lot. Okay, let's go to that one section where there was like plants and stuff. Maybe you could be standing right here. So I'm gonna turn off my flash for this one. Okay, we're in business now. Let's bend your elbow a bit. Lift your chin up. Love that, yep. Ooh, that's cute. I don't know how you guys do it. Like if I were shooting this way, I would be burning my eyes. Chin down a bit more. Yeah, great job. Want to move into the shade? Let's do the shade. We're just like walking everywhere today. I'll just do some portraits and I think we'll wrap this up. Great, love those. Chin down, looking here. Great job. Just like that. Do the side portrait. Yes, love that. I feel like we're wrapped with this outfit and we can have you change. We're just gonna take a few test shots. Great job. Could you step maybe right here, a bit more in the shade, like right here? Yeah. And let's do some sitting down here. I'm gonna get some close-up portraits, okay? Lift your chin up a bit. Oh, got a beautiful headshot for you. Try it with just natural light. Lift your chin up now. Definitely not easy to model outside. All the elements, all the people. I don't know how you guys do it. You guys are awesome. Okay, let's get off. Wow. Man, oh my goodness. That one hurt, that one hurt. Let's walk a little bit over there. Someone wrote me on Instagram that like I'm so tiny compared to the models. I'm just trying to see the light right now. Let's try it here. You just standing. You know, they say it's the worst time to shoot right now, but we come out anyways. Sometimes you really don't have a choice. How about you're standing next to this one-way sign? That's kind of cool. Yes, there you go, yes. Don't move at all. Oh, there's a garbage truck? Oh no, of course. Okay, of course the garbage will be here. Let's move around. It does smell a bit. I've been in worse situations. Oh, and there's another garbage truck, of course. Right on time. It's fine, I like it. Nice ambiance, right? Yeah, that's cute. Stay right there. Looking here. Wow, I love these. The blue background is fantastic. Great, love that. And toss that piece of hair to the back. Yeah, actually I liked it when you were this way. Yeah, like that. Yeah, stay right there. Oh my God, so pretty. Okay, maybe we'll do like one here. Oh, is there anything? Oh, we all know about Australian spiders. Yeah, that's pretty too. I love that. Stay right there. And then we'll do a walking shot. I think we'll be pretty good. Looking here. And come up to my lens. I want you right here and then coming up to my lens. Dude, with this blue, it's beautiful. Maybe have your hand right here. Yeah, gorgeous. Yep, stay right there. Great job. Okay, let's go. I love the blue background. All right, so that's the end of our portrait session. I really hope you guys enjoyed the pictures. Valentina, thank you so much. You did so amazing.
Thanks for having me.
Love the posing. Where can people find you on Instagram?
My Instagram's Valentina Ruby.
Do you have TikTok?
No.
It's okay. I have TikTok, but I never update it. Right? It's confusing.
Yeah, I tried and yeah.
Too much work?
Yeah.
We don't have the time. You guys check her out on Instagram. Again, let us know what you guys think of the pictures, and I would love to thank you guys for watching. Bye.